Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Career Guide Placement Solution. So today I will be discussing about few points which are really very necessary for all you guys. These are the onboarding updates and joining updates from Wipro and Capgemini which are coming up recently. So I thought of sharing these updates with you all guys because many of you are under panic that when I will receive the updates and what is the company doing. So I thought of sharing with you all guys. So today I will discuss all the points, that is the Adapt Foundation Plus mail which Capgemini is sending. Also the Wipro onboarding dates are released, turbo velocity update, and either PJP is mandatory or not. These are the highlighted points. Most asked questions are from these points, so I thought of make a separate video on these points. So I will discuss all the points in detail in this video today. So watch the video till end and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, if you are new to my channel, join the Telegram group, link is in the description box. So without much further delay, let's begin with today's video. So the first thing which I will share with you all is the Adapt Foundation Plus Specialization mail from Capgemini, and in this mail you will see that you have, as per the report on 15th of July, you have not completed expected e-learning on Adapt Foundation Plus Specialization. The timeline for completing is also mentioned. So you need to complete all the modules like fundamentals and of database, OOPS and UML, exception handling and utilities, Python programming and Unix, UI design, scripting, software testing. Okay, so Adapt Foundation Plus, click here now. So they have provided a link, you need to click here and keep that in mind. You need to complete 100% of all the courses on so that you get synced to the next platform. So this is only mentioned that please note only 100% completed course on plural site will be synced to Pathway Progress on next platform. Even if it is 99.9%, the data will not be synced. So for your data to get synced in the Pathway Progress, you should complete 100% of all the courses, all the modules that are mentioned. Okay, so here are the Foundation Plus modules, that is database concepts, programming using Java, Python and OS, UI and testing. So the e-learning module or pathway link is provided. Just click on the link to access this Foundation Plus modules. Also the timeline is mentioned. So this database programming with Java, Python, all the dates are already over. UI and testing date is still like 5th of August, so still pending. So complete this course as soon as possible before the date gets expired, because you all will only face delay in your onboarding if you don't complete this course in the expected time. Okay, the company will only delay your onboarding further. So complete these courses as soon as possible. So this was the Adapt Foundation Plus Specialization from Capgemini. If you have any further queries, then you can drop out your comment. I will reply to those comments. Next was from Wipro onboarding dates out. So from Wipro team, this sort of mail you all have got, like velocity update. Hello, we hope you are an amazing learning journey under Wipro Velocity program. This is to inform that we are planning your onboarding with us on 8th of August 2022. Please note, onboarding is subject to meeting all the below mentioned criteria. So they are planning for onboarding on 8th August 2022. Okay. So but your onboarding will be conditioned for 4 criteria. Okay. First is turbo offer letter acceptance. Second is the velocity program or the training program which you have attended. The score must be greater than equal to 60%. Third is the capstone project completion by 25th of July. And the last is the final exam completion. So all these 4 criteria are mandatory for your onboarding in 8th August batch. If any one of the 4 criteria is not yet fulfilled, then you won't be onboarded in this 8th August batch. In upcoming batch, they will again mail you, but not in this batch. Okay. So this mail mainly phase 1 candidates have received, because phase 2 velocity or turbo is not yet started. So regarding phase 2, I would say that phase 2 velocity or that upgradation program is not yet started, but as we can see that phase 1 already the pending students or the postponed, who all have postponed their onboarding before, so they are clearing the phase 1 students. That means that now they will look into the phase 2 students. Okay. So for the phase 2 student, we can expect that your onboarding can commence in till last week of August, because before onboarding you will be given turbo or the velocity program, training program. You need to clear that successfully, then you will get a turbo offer letter. Otherwise you will get elite offer letter, right? So we hope so that for the phase 2 we'll get at the end of August. But as you can see, Wipro is already delaying so much, so we can hope so. And also one point I would mention, that the orientation session link for this week is already out. So if you have guys received in your mail IDs, so kindly join the orientation session. There also you will get some information regarding onboarding, and any other queries if you have regarding joining Wipro, you can ask there as well. Next point I will discuss is turbo and velocity update, which I have already said that not yet out for the phase 1, already completed turbo, but for the phase 2 not yet out. But as per the team, August you will get velocity upgrade, because already background verification over, addendum letter you have received, Japanese survey mail you have got. Now nothing is there. The fourth step is velocity or turbo letter mail, so that you will receive. Okay. So the final point which I will discuss today is PJP mandatory or not. So many of the students have text me that ma'am, whether PJP is mandatory or not. So I would say that yes, PJP is 100% mandatory for your onboarding. So this is the mail you will receive for the PJP, okay, from the Wipro team. Here you can see that congratulations on getting selected with Wipro. We have observed that you have not yet complete your pre-joining program PJP. Please note, completion of the pre-joining program will help us in prioritizing the business allocation and onboarding process. Hence you are advised to complete the PJP 100% within the allocated time. So you need to complete PJP 100% within that stipulated time for your further business allocation and onboarding process. So if you don't complete it within that time, you all will only get delay in onboarding. As you know that Wipro is delaying so much. So if you want further delay, then okay, but if you want your onboarding to be fast, complete it as soon as possible, because if you have received this mail, there must be any reason. Okay, so click on that survey form and fill it up as soon as possible. And this survey form is mandatory for you, for all of you to respond. So don't miss this survey form. It is mandatory responding the survey form, failing which you would assume, they would assume your disinterest in pursuing opportunity with Wipro. Okay, so fill it up as soon as possible, because after you submit this survey form, they will send you further the PBL app and all information and all. So fill this survey form if you have received it. And also PJP is mandatory. So these were the points that I have discussed. If you have any other queries related to these points, or any other queries of any other companies, you can definitely comment down below, and join the Telegram group. There also I make discussions with other students, so do join the group as well. And if you if you find today's video useful, then definitely like, share and subscribe to my channel. Your subscription means a lot to me. So thank you for watching today's video, and don't panic guys, you all will get onboarding details soon. So thank you for watching again. Bye.